In this video, we're visiting the charming and historic St. Augustine, which is the oldest city in the United States. From its Spanish architecture to coastal views and local eats, we're spending the weekend soaking up all the charm this Florida gem has to offer. Can't do a decent road trip without a little Bucky stop. We had some good luck with minimal traffic as we drive through Atlanta. And we'll stop for dinner at Texas Roadhouse. It's Mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Wings! Good evening, Texas Roadhouse! Yeehaw! My classic combo. 2 house salads. No tomatoes. It was the worst quality food we've ever gotten from a Texas Roadhouse. Long wait time, raw bread, beef jerky steak, supposed to be medium, but the server and manager were great to acknowledge and make up for that. And they did bring out a complimentary birthday brownie. And on to our hotel for the night. We're in Perry, Georgia, right outside of Macon. Happy birthday! At the Relax Inn. Okay, now we're going to Florida. Are you sure? We're still in Georgia. The next morning we hit the road. First stop is the Florida Welcome Center, which I think is probably one of the best state welcome centers in the country. Oh my gosh, Kevin would love it here. He loves to collect these. Oh, nice. Some orange juice, there's stickers, postcards. And now we finally make it to St. Augustine as we pull into our hotel. This place is reasonably priced, had great reviews, and it's within walking distance of so many St. Augustine's major sites. It's pretty spacious in here. Okay, I guess now we will go walk around town, and this hotel is actually pretty good because it seems very central to everything and the old town stuff, not the beach. And this landmark tree right in our hotel parking lot is over 600 years old, meaning it was around when Ponce de Leon discovered the nearby Fountain of Youth.
It's very big.
And here's the Fountain of Youth. Just kidding. So we're walking over to Our Lady of La Leche mission, but unfortunately...
So it's closed now, so we're gonna keep going.
We'll have to come back tomorrow.
I even told ChatGPT what time we would be here, and he is so stupid. It's closed. So why did he tell us to go here at this time?
It's okay, we'll continue to walk around town. Now we're at the old city gates leading into the historic district. The gate was built in 1808 as a part of a defense wall. They once guarded the city, and now they're just a landmark to walk through on your way to the pedestrian streets of the old town. This is the oldest wooden schoolhouse in the US, built back in the early 1700s. It's made from cedar and cypress, held together with handmade nails, and it's still in its original spot right here in St. Augustine. Let's continue on and look at all the shops. FYI, there are public restrooms. Even they shared some interesting history. We're getting a little hungry, so we've decided to come into the Bull and Crown restaurant for dinner.
We didn't realize it, but this is a British cuisine restaurant, and the food was actually pretty good.
The smoked salmon, what was it again? Smoked salmon?
Smoked salmon BLT.
BLT. And then I got the capers and salmon.
Do you want to split it?
Sure.
Over there is the Castillo de San Marcos fort, and we're gonna go over there tomorrow. But now we're heading back to the hotel.
Going to the pool.
They had a pretty nice pool here. And now it's the next morning.
We're going to breakfast now. Okay, so this is our spread. We've got quite a bit of stuff, actually. Under the big tree.
The tree is such a landmark that the trolley drives through our hotel to stop at it. And now we're going to the Castillo de San Marcos. It's part of the national park system, so if you have an America the Beautiful pass, you can use it to enter. My pass had expired, but I know I'll be going to other national parks this year, so I'm just going to buy the ATB pass here for $80. Without the pass, it is $15 per person to enter here. At over 327 years old, the Castillo de San Marcos is the oldest masonry fort in the continental U.S. It's also the oldest structure in St. Augustine. It was built by Spaniards to defend their claimed land in the New World. Here are some soldier bunks and the prison.
In prison.
For marrying without permission. Going up to gun deck 1.
Also, sorry, my shoes are really squishy. Lots of cannons.
Okay, I think we can leave gun deck 1.
And it is too hot here for uniforms. This room shows how the soldiers lived when the British controlled the fort in the 1700s. Some simple bunks with very little space.
Grown man. This is the pantry.
Overall, the fort was pretty cool to visit. If you have a park pass, I totally recommend it. And now we're going to try again with Our Lady of La Leche mission one more time. This is the oldest shrine in the United States, dating back to the late 1500s. It's dedicated to Mother Mary under the title Our Lady of the Milk and Happy Delivery. And early settlers would come here to pray for healthy pregnancies and safe childbirths. It's very Catholic. Here's a beautiful little chapel. The sign reads that it's the 4th building on this foundation. It was first erected in 1615, but the shrine fell victim 3 times to war, pirates, and storms. The last reconstruction of it was in 1918. Now we'll go into the museum that showcases the history of this location.
I mean, not like in the last year or whatever, but Spanish, Latin.
Alright, we went to the store briefly to grab some picnic items for dinner, and now we'll head back to the hotel. We'll drive through one of the most charming downtown areas I've ever seen. It's also home to Flagler College, which is undoubtedly at the top, or if not near it, of the list of the most beautiful universities in America. Now we're passing by the Castillo de San Marcos again. And we're back at the hotel. It's been quite a hot day, so we're gonna relax under the shade of the old cinder and its wispy Spanish moss. Now let's head to the beach. As you can see, the main town area is a little far away from the coast. Okay, we parked at 16th, 8th Street. Free public parking. I hope it's free. Yeah. It's late afternoon, so there aren't very many people out here.
It's really cold.
This is a breakfast room. First time anything's closed. It wouldn't be if you were out there.
Okay, well, we're now at the beach. It's very empty here, I feel like. Well, the sand just runs out from under you. These are my camping chairs. Pretty good.
Great chairs.
Now we're both pretty tired, so let's head back to the hotel and end the night a little early. Now it's the next morning, so of course, let's go get our breakfast. So apparently the most beautiful street in America is right behind our hotel. So we're just gonna walk to it. The Fountain of Youth must be that way, if that's where they're going. It's really pretty here. They say Jones Street in Savannah is the prettiest, but I like how this street is uninterrupted. Jones Street has too many street parked cars in it. We learned by eavesdropping one of the passerby trolleys that this wall here is made of shells, and I don't think I would have noticed that if I hadn't have heard from the trolley. Here's the famous site of the Fountain of Youth and America's first colony. We ended up not going in as we wanted to hit the road soon. It was $20 to enter, and from all that I'd seen online, we decided it's okay to skip out for now. We're just going to enjoy the peacocks out here. Oh, there's another one.
But guess what? People don't.
And this is where Pedro Menendez de Aviles founded St. Augustine in 1565, the same name of our hotel, and that made this the first settlement of the nation's oldest city. Now we're gonna walk right back to our hotel just a few feet away, get in our car, and hit the road back home. Bye, Florida. And let's cap off this trip the way we started, at Buc-ee's. I don't even have to go that bad. I'm just gonna get the stuff. Did you want anything?
Yeah, give me a Coke ice.
Okay. This is by far the most crowded Buc-ee's I've ever been to. That was the most insane Buc-ee's I've ever been in. And we got chips. What are these? Beaver chips?
For the length of that bathroom line, though.
That moved really
was
fast, yeah.
right? Super fast.
And now back through Atlanta, and that wraps up our trip.